Hi, this is Steven from techsteve SD. Thanks a lot for watching my video today, and I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts to your PC. First of all, the reason you would do that is because if you had like a computer that had your office files on it or your personal information, you wouldn't allow different people to be able to use your computer without to have access to your personal files. So what I'm going to do is go down to the corner here and you'll see a start bar. On this video you won't be able to see it because I have that actually cropped off. But when you hit the start bar, you have all your programs here, but you want to go under Control Panel. Under Control Panel, you see one that says Add or Remove Users Accounts. You want to click on that. And then right now I have my techsteve login there, but then you have guest accounts. So if a friend comes over and if you want to give them access to your computer while you're gone, you can turn that on. They will have basic internet browsing and just to be able to use the computer, but they won't have access to most of your files or your programs or anything like that. But in order to create a new user, you want to go down to Create a New User, and right here there's two different types of users. There's standard users, and that's where you can just kind of give them access to the basic programs. Not much file structure. They can't install programs or anything like that. They can just kind of view what's pre-installed. And then you have administration. Administration is going to be if you're going to have like someone who actually can control the computer in a better way. They have access to download programs and things like that. But I'm going to create a test account and hit Create Account. Now over here you can see that it's labeled Test Account. In order to, when you click on this, you can change the name, you can give them a password, change the picture, access type. You can pretty much edit everything right there when you click on the icon as the administration, as the main person. But let's go over here and go to Parental Controls. Now in Parental Controls, it's going to show all the people who can log into your computer, and I've done up to 8 or 9 for different families. But let's click on Test. That's the one I just created. This is where you can turn parental control off or on, but I'm going to turn it on here. Now you can see there's some Windows settings. First of all, on this side is where you can actually turn the feature off or on. Game ratings off and on, program limits off and on. But one that a lot of people like is time limits. So if you want to lock someone out of your computer at a certain time, you click on this and you just actually block what time frames you want them to be denied if they try to use the computer. Great for parents if you want to use it late at night. Now game ratings, if you install like a lot of different games on your computer, this is where you can set different ratings like PG, R-rated, whatever you want to set it up as. The computer will try its best to block those programs from that particular setting. And allow and block specific programs is if you have something that you don't want to have access on the other logins, like for example if you was in the military and you have a tag ID or you did a lot of IT work, you can actually block some of those programs that are used on the other logins so no one can actually see them, or when they click on it it's going to need your administration password to click on it. And that's pretty much it. One great thing I like as well is once you do log in onto these guest accounts, in order to install programs you would have to put in your administration password from your account to give them access. So if they log into the account and they try to go to the internet and download something, it's going to ask for your password to get access to download that program, so you have full control. It's a really basic way to block your computer and protect it against bad files and things like that. Hope you like my video. Go to techstevesd.com and I'm actually listing all my videos online, and pretty soon I'll have more blogs on there to show you like some other how-tos in print form, so you can go take a look at that. If you like this video, please subscribe onto my channel or hit the like button, or both. That would be greatly appreciated, and share the information. I like to make these videos, and thanks for your support. Have a great day.